garden friends, in an effort to be transparent with you guys. Because one thing I notice about YouTube, you know, we're always in social media. I mean, it's a given. We always want to show the most beautiful, perfectly manicured, just maintained gardens, and that's not reality. So this past winter, fall and spring, here in the Mid-Atlantic, we received an incredible amount of precipitation and moisture. And I've come to understand that planting tulips in ground is not recommended. I have to seriously amend the soil before I plant them, or just plant them in raised beds or pots. So I only have in this circle garden, okay, you guys remember the garden with the Roman water lady, one tulip came up. One tulip came up. Very disappointing, but it's just a process of learning while gardening. Let me turn this camera around. So here is this one lonely hero, and it doesn't even look good, but it's a survivor. So one hero tulip survived.